Hello, hola, bonjour, konnichiwa, ni hao, sports fans all around the world. Welcome to Amiel'S Talk, a special segment on This or That Sports TV where you and I can laugh, have discussions, and find solutions to pressing issues for yes people, the games we love. Don't forget, very important, like this video, leave a comment, and share this video to as many people as possible. Why you need for that? Because you need This or That Sports TV to take off. Yeah. People, we really appreciate the support that you have been giving us thus far. We're currently at 6K plus subscribers and we couldn't do it without you. So we really appreciate you guys. Continue following us on the journey, and as I've said countless amounts of times, we will continue to innovate and improve. Just go and follow the journey, people. But yeah, you seen the title, watching the video. Come for hear what I have to say. You get me? So, people, today is match day actually. So this is the second leg, Jamaica versus Trinidad, which will be played at 7 o'clock at the National Stadium, and I'm looking forward to it, people. But I'm not here to really speak on that game. I'm here to talk to you about what transpired at Catherine Hall. So before I get into that, I just want to get this out of the way. I'm expecting a better showing from the Reggae boys today. I'm expecting a better game from both teams today. It's a better pitch, and I think that Coach Hal Grimson, he's seen enough. He's seen which players he should start for this game, the second leg. And I think we'll definitely see a very entertaining game. I can bet you on that, truly. But yes, people, for what transpired at Catherine Hall, Trinidad won, Jamaica nil. People, when I arrived at the stadium, I was so excited, people. So excited. Why I come get to watch my national team play? So I have to be buzzing. You get me, I say, people? So, walking now, making my way in the stadium. Joe Mar is with me and thing, and Joe Mar is actually a bit ahead of me. So I'm a little bit to the side behind him, walking up the stairs. So I just see Joe Mar pause and make up him face. So I say, "I'm to the youth." Only for me to look. And when I see this field and the terrible condition that it is in, I was shocked. I was shocked, people. I was almost sure that reports came out that the groundsmen would be able to deliver. They'll be able to get the pitch ready in time. So what happened? All of a sudden they no longer have the time to get it done. I don't know what transpired, what exactly happened. But what I witnessed on Saturday, people, was an absolute disgrace. I believe that the stadium is the Catherine Hall Stadium. It's government owned. I don't know. People, and this is, we gotta talk to your people. Watch it now. If you own something, right? Whether it be a phone, a microphone, a clothes, your TV, any electronic appliance, whatever, your yard, your house, whatever, you are going to do everything in your power to ensure that it is in top condition, right? So upon doing my research, I'm seeing that it is a government-owned facility. And I'm sure there are other stakeholders involved or whatsoever. But there is no way on God's green earth or a national team should be playing on this. What happened? People, We went to Caffeine Hall to watch our reggae girls play. And the feel, it wasn't that bad what they can play upon. You know? But I don't know what happened between then and now. Because the field looked like an absolute shambles, people. And I had the freedom to walk on the pitch and look and survey the field. And I took some videos of the pitch. There is no way on God's green earth a match should be played on that pitch. It is a disservice to the Jamaican football team. It is a disservice to the Trinidad national team. And it is a disservice to the fans who came out to watch that match. No way on God's green earth. People, I was absolutely disgusted. I'm going to show you the video right now. So, yes, people, you see the terrible condition it is in. Now, people walking on it, persons who understand the process of growing grass out there, you can leave it in the comment section. And I will never claim to know it all. So I'm asking you people, is sand a part of the process of growing grass? Cause that is not soil. That is I don't know. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is, people. It look like something where you play whack-a-mole pan. You can't play football pan that. A whack-a-mole business that. Right? So people, also want to clarify, I am not saying that because there are persons out there that will comment it. I am not blaming the pitch I'm not blaming the players and the pitch for that performance. The pitch has nothing to do with how the Reggae Boys lost that game last night. Well, I'll not say it's a small percentage. Because in truth, the Trinidadians, they did an absolutely wonderful job at passing and keeping the ball on that same terrible pitch. But honestly, people, if I was the coach of Trinidad or any executive a part of the Trinidad national team, and I come out there excited for play my rivals, expecting to see a good pitch, and when I go out there, I see a whack-a-mole pitch. Instantly, I have to cancel it right there, you know. I will not allow my players to play on that pitch. Disgrace. And the reason why I'm so passionate about this, people, is because persons understand that if you have played football before on these same bad pitches, some of these bad pitches cause injuries, people. When did you know that? Bad pitches can cause injuries. And when you looked on the video that I just put up not too long ago, you can even rewind and look at it again. You see the big holes in there. You can imagine if somebody's running with the ball and them step into that, and then a hard tackle come in, and the compression and everything that goes on there. People, I played in a similar field like that before, and it shattered the tibia. My tibia, people, broke my tibia. Thank God I'm able to walk and thing again now and can still play my scrimmage and my bridging them. But these are the things that I'm talking about, people. And I saw a few other players. I think Atkinson, he came off with a little injury as well. But overall, people, bad pitches like that can cause injuries. If we say that we are running a professional football team, a professional federation, we need to uphold the standards. No, I am not saying that. How would this a message me, man? How would, people, hold on. How would this a ring down my phone, sir? I, sorry, people. I put this on silent mode. Like, let me see me I make my bad video. I'm to them people, man. So yes, people. If we want to see ourselves, improve, we have to uphold a standard. We should have cancelled that game, people. I am sure there are other places in Jamaica. Where the national team could have played that match. Now, the reason why I said it was a disservice to the fans is because people, I'll be completely honest with you, the atmosphere at Catherine Hall, I would say, is better than the atmosphere in the National Stadium. The fans over at Catherine Hall, people, them really come out and show support. I believe almost 85% of the bleachers, if not more, was covered with fans, and a few over the grandstand and the VIP. But they really came out to show support to the boys. And it is a disservice to them because them come to say high quality football. And that was no high quality football, people, in my humble opinion. And you cannot get high quality football on a bad pitch like that. You cannot get good quality football on a bad pitch like that. The quality that we have coming from overseas and the quality in the JPL that we have, they shouldn't even be playing. Suppose one of the baller them get injured on that same bad pitch, them stepping on one of them whack-a-mole hole there, and them ankle twist, them tibia rupture or something crazy. A freak accident because of the field. These are the things that we need to be thinking of, right? So I am hoping that between, I would say, even Monday and going forward, that there's work currently being done at the Catherine Hall Arena. Because I don't expect a match to be played on that and then just leave it there. And then you hear last minute say a match will be played at Catherine Hall, and then you want to rush and try fix it. No, fix it now and maintain it. We have to clamp down on these things. We need to be more professional. We have to uphold a standard. Too many times it's like people, that situation is like, let me find a example, a suitable example where the people them can understand. It is like, let's say, inviting a girl over to your house and she go in your room and all she see a dirty laundry fling around the place. That girl will not be staying there. And if you ask her to come back, she's not coming back. So you have to get your house in order. The persons who own the Catherine Hall, you have to put the necessary things in place to ensure that your house is in order. No whack-a-mole business, people. No whack-a-mole business. It's a disgrace. I was so upset people walking on the pitch and surveying everything. I say, I can't believe how this the man them really play upon. Kudos to them. Especially the Trinidad team. They played good football on that terrible pitch, surprisingly. But people, we have to, I keep saying it, we have to uphold a standard, and it is truly unacceptable. And I must preference this by saying this. I am not trying to attack anybody. Everything that leave my mouth come from a heart of love. Why? Come on, I want to see Jamaican football improve. I want our standards to improve. We now have a professional coach running our ship, and we see his plans slowly manifesting. We see it slowly manifesting, and I think the government, JFF, I just want to send this message out here to you. I need you to stand with this coach here. Stand with the federation. I don't want this last minute business. You get me, I say? So you need to be doing and fixing the cathinol field right now. Right now, as I'm speaking on this Tuesday afternoon, right now. Right now. And don't wait until last minute. Because it coming like we are some last minute people. Why we can't just get the job done as early as possible to avoid madness? Why? Why we can't just be orderly? Because if you were orderly and organized, the pitch would have been fixed long time ago for the match. Right? And addressing the government and your wholeness, I don't want to see you put out a video talking about the reggae boys when them do good. You get me? I say, too many times these government officials, they come out when things are going good. And I don't see the contribution that the government is currently, or how they're helping our football. People, football, I don't know if people understand. I don't know if these government officials understand the power of football. How important football is, especially in this third world country of ours. Football is a vehicle. Football has saved multitude of young males and females. Take them straight out of poverty and can help their family. That is how powerful football is. And we need to see more personnel in Jamaica. Persons who have the power to create change. We need to see you show your face more in our football. But not when it is going good. We need it now when things are looking shaky. Don't come run for the food right now because it seems like things are going good. No. You need to be there from the start. The JFF need help. The coaches need help. The government officials need to be helping as well. We have persons in the diaspora who are willing to help us. Make a phone call. Reach out. Ask for help. You have persons in the country who are willing to help. Ask. 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 So, yes, people, that are my quick soliloquy. You get me, answer, people. So, I'm going to end it here. I need to get ready to leave for the match. So, yes, people, don't forget, like this video, leave a comment. Let me know if I'm madness me attack. Let me know if I'm the right thing me attack. You know me, people. I love the dialogue. As long as it is respectful. As long as it's respectful, people. And I'm looking forward to seeing and reading the comment section. Let me know if you agree with me. Let me know if you disagree with me. And what are some of the things you believe that we can do to ensure that something like that never happens again. Right? And share this video to as many people as possible. But yes, people, that is the end of Amiel'S Talk. Hope you all are having a wonderful day. Bye for now.